Racism still prevails in many parts of the world. Violence against women is a grave human rights violation that has far-reaching consequences impacting physical, mental and social well-being, hindering women's full participation in society and perpetuating inequality. Governments fail to provide human rights protection to women even in 21st century. In Bangladesh, former Prime Minister Begum Khalida Zia has been victim of false allegations which violated her right to life and liberty under Article 31 and 32 of the Constitution of Bangladesh. Government of Bangladesh should provide monetary compensation, restoration of reputation and initiation of criminal proceedings against the individuals responsible for the false allegation under Section 211 of the Bangladesh Penal Code. On the other hand, in India, female students belonging to Sidil caste and Karbi tribe were being sexually harassed by an assistant professor at Assam University Difu campus, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Moreover, the accused is also found to harass his wife, who is a native girl. As the governments fail to provide human rights protection to women, I urge the Council for greater help to safeguard the interests, particularly for women. I seek unprecedented attention and initiatives to be applied in all countries. Thank you. Jai Ahom.
Thank you.